Welcome to this video on spoken English. Hey everyone! Today we're diving into two key aspects of spoken English, pronunciation and intonation, Chapter 4 of our spoken English course. If you want to sound clearer, more natural, and confident, stay with me till the end. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get started. Pronunciation is the way in which a word or language is spoken. It refers to the sounds, stress, rhythm, and intonation used to articulate words correctly. Some key elements include vowel and consonant sounds. Example, bit, beat. Word stress. Example, photograph, photograph, photographic. Connected speech. Example, what do you want? What do you want? Come on, let's have a quick practice. Firstly, let's begin with the vowel sounds. Bit, beat. Caught, caught. Full, fool. Pen, pan. Ship, sheep. Hat, heart. Pull, pool. Bet, bat. Cup, cop. Not, note. Now let's learn the consonant sounds. Think, sink. Very, berry. Light, right. Pat, bat. Chin, shin. Fan, van. Sue, zoo. Cheap, jeep. Key, tea. Go, show. Every word has one syllable that is stronger, louder, longer, and clearer. Let's learn about the word stress. Here are a few examples for first syllable stress. Table, doctor, moth-er. Happy, clever. Here are a few examples for second syllable stress. Arrive, begin, explain, alone, away. Here are a few examples of how the stress changes the meaning. Present, gift. Present, to give. Contract, agreement. Contract, to shrink. Record, a document. Record, to save sound. Produce, fruits or vegetables. Produce, to create. Permit, a document. Permit, to allow. Here are a few examples on three-syllable words. Comfortable, positive. Develop, Remember. Expensive. Connected speech is the way words blend together in natural, fluent conversation. Instead of pronouncing each word separately, native speakers link, drop, or change sounds to speak more smoothly and quickly. Here are a few examples on linking sounds, which occurs when the last sound of one word connects to the next word. Go on. Go on. Do it. Do it. Here are a few examples of elision or sound dropping, which occurs when a sound disappears to make speech faster. Next day, the T sound is dropped. Friend, ship, friendship, the D sound is dropped. Here are a few examples of intrusion, which occurs when a sound, like R, W, or Y, is added between words. I saw it. I saw it. Go on. Go on. Here are a few examples of assimilation, which occurs when a sound changes to be more like a nearby sound. Good boy. Good boy. Don't you? Don'tcha. Here are a few examples of weak forms, which occurs when a small function words sound softer or shorter in fast speech. I have to go. I have to go. Give me that. Give me that. Now, let's move on to the second key aspect of spoken English. Intonation is the rise and fall of your voice when speaking. It helps express emotions and meaning. There are three main types of intonation: rising intonation, falling intonation, and rising falling or neutral intonation. Let's explore them in detail. Rising intonation occurs when the pitch of your voice goes up. It is used for yes or no questions, unfinished thoughts and lists, except the last item. Are you ready? Did you see that movie? She likes apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes. I think it's possible, but you want tea or coffee? Falling intonation occurs when the pitch of your voice goes down. It is used for statements, WH, questions, commands, and confirmations. I live in New York. What's your name? Close the door. She's coming tomorrow. That's a great idea. Rising, falling, or neutral intonation occurs when the pitch of your voice goes up and then down. It is used for expressing surprise or excitement, choices in questions, and tag questions. Really? You like tea or coffee? It's a beautiful day, isn't it? That was amazing. I can't believe it. Hope you liked this video. Until we meet again, take care and thank you.